All right, well, gonna back some Tapcons out. We're gonna move the gazebo over, and then we're gonna hammer drill some new holes. So here we go. I gotta move this myself. Oof. All right. Measure twice, drill once. Let's see how far we are off. All right, time to drill. Like butter. Sink them up. That ain't going nowhere. 3 more pulls to go. Should have a knee pad. Cinch her down. That ain't going nowhere. Next. So we're 19 3/4 off this line. 19 3/4. Let's punch a hole. Done. We're gonna be smart this time. Hold on. Knee pads. My knees are too old for this shit. Last hole. That's how you do your own work your damn self. Fuck hiring somebody. Well, I'm done. I'm sweating. Sweating. Whew. You know what? It's time for a beer.